Hi guys, it's Miss Stefan. Here are your words for vocabulary for Unit 2. Don't forget, you need to have this piece of paper with you. This is your weekly vocabulary words chart where you can record your word, its definition, and how you can remember that word, any notes that you may have. If you don't have this piece of paper, go ahead and pause it now and I'll get you one. Let's go ahead and begin. Your first word is despair. It's a noun and it means a lack of hope. This man has a complete lack of hope. He is obviously in a state of despair. He's on a giant rock in the middle of the ocean, surrounded by water. The water is choppy and dangerous. He couldn't swim if he wanted. He has absolutely no hope. He is in despair. Your next word is dignify. It is a verb and it means to make something seem worthy or impressive. When you have a job interview, you want to dignify yourself by making yourself look worthy and impressive of this job. Maybe get a new suit, a fresh haircut, try some teeth whitenings, toothpaste, anything to dignify yourself to make you look worthy of this job opportunity. Your next word is engulf. It is a verb and it means to overwhelm, to surround totally. This house is engulfed by flames. It's completely overwhelmed and surrounded by the fire that is destroying it. Engulf. Your next word is grotesque. It's an adjective and it means strange and distorted. You've probably seen Disney's The Hunchback of Notre Dame. Quasimodo, the character, is reviled and hated by the people in Paris because he is grotesque to them. He is distorted in appearance with a weird eye and a hunchback and jacked up teeth. So he is grotesque. Your next word is impede. It's a verb and it means to block, to obstruct the way of. This giant rock is impeding traffic on this road. It is blocking the way of traffic. You can't drive around it. You can't drive through it. It is blocking the road. Impede. Your next word is magnificent. It's an adjective and it means impressively beautiful, spectacular. These cliffs on the west coast of Ireland called the Cliffs of Moher are a magnificent sight. You can walk right up to the edge. They're giant. You can look down at the beautiful sea below. It is a magnificent sight if you ever get to Ireland. The next word is minimize. It is a verb and it means to reduce to the smallest possible amount, to lessen. One way you can remember this word, minimize, is to make mini, M-I-N-I, you see it right there, miniature, mini. Botox injections will minimize the appearance of those wrinkles that you see in between this woman's eyebrows, her worry lines. If you do Botox, you will minimize the look of those wrinkles. You will make them lessen. The next word is misconception. It's a noun and it means an incorrect understanding, meaning you've understood something incorrectly or you've misunderstood wrong. So if you've ever seen the movie Mean Girls, Katie, who grew up in Africa, doesn't understand that girls in America, teenage girls, use Halloween as a way to look cute and to look attractive. So she has a misconception that Halloween is to look scary and grotesque. So she shows up to the party looking like this, when all other teenage girls look like this. So she had a misconception of what to wear on Halloween. The next word is overtake. It's a verb and it means to take by surprise or to catch up with. Let's watch a short video of two bicyclists in a race and watch one overtake the other by surprise and catch up with him and end up winning. As you can see, one bicyclist was able to overtake the other and win the race. Your next word is splendor. It is a noun and it means brilliant, magnificent appearance, something that is grand. You might remember this word, you may have heard the word splendid. Well, that's splendid, meaning that's great, that's magnificent. Splendor, though, is something that's magnificent in appearance. Imagine walking down this street in the spring if you don't have allergies. The splendid appearance of this street with all of its cherry blossoms and its petals on the ground. It's just picturesque and beautiful. It's grand. It's magnificent in appearance. It's splendor. All right, guys, that does it for this unit's vocabulary words. If you have any questions, just give me a holler and I will try to clear them up for you. In the meantime, have a great day and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.